Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your favorites on the Nike application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the shop icon down below, which is the second option, and then you should type in the kind of product that you are looking for into the search bar. Tap on the search icon in the upper right corner of the screen, or you can also scroll down till you find the one that you would like to add to your list of favorites. Scroll down till you find the favorite button and the heart icon. So you should tap on this button, so it has been added to your favorites that you can check if you tap on the heart icon down below, which is the third option. So now all of the products that you want to save will appear at this page, at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.